Welcome back to Bike Review Hub, where we bring you the latest, greatest, and most legendary two-wheelers on the road. Today, we are diving into a timeless icon that's been reimagined for the modern world, the 2025 Honda Super Cub. This little scooter packs more charm and technology than you'd expect, and we are about to break it all down. A brief history of the Super Cub. First launched in 1958, the Honda Super Cub is the most produced motor vehicle in history. With over 100 million units sold globally, it's not just a scooter, it's a cultural phenomenon. For 2025, Honda has kept the soul of the original while giving it a fresh upgrade for today's urban rider. What's new in 2025? The 2025 Super Cub comes with subtle but meaningful upgrades. A cleaner, more efficient 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine now meets the latest emission standards while still offering that reliable, smooth ride we all love. The styling is still classic, but with updated LED lighting, a sleeker seat design, and new color schemes that really pop. Technology meets retro. Don't let the retro look fool you, the 2025 model is loaded with tech. It now features a semi-digital instrument cluster, keyless ignition, and even optional smartphone connectivity. Honda managed to blend nostalgia with convenience, making this one of the smartest small scooters in its class. Ride and handling. On the road, the Super Cub feels light, agile, and surprisingly refined. The semi-automatic 4-speed gearbox gives you just enough control without needing to master a clutch. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or cruising a quiet road, it delivers a smooth, composed experience, all while sipping fuel at an incredible rate. Who is it for? The 2025 Super Cub is perfect for new riders, commuters, or anyone who appreciates a stylish and stress-free ride. It's a great alternative to bigger scooters or motorcycles, especially in dense cities. Plus, that classic design means you'll turn heads wherever you go. Pricing and verdict. Honda's pricing remains competitive, making the Super Cub an accessible yet premium-feeling machine. It's not about raw power, it's about character, efficiency, and legendary reliability. The 2025 Super Cub continues to prove that sometimes, less really is more. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Review Hub, and drop a comment below. Would you ride the 2025 Super Cub, or is it too retro for your taste? Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.